Our Frigidaire dishwasher, gallery-year-old, is showing ICO in the start location. There is no reponse when we press it. Can't get it to start pushing start button. All buttons seem frozen.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. So this error ICO is a communication error. Usually you can just unplug the dishwasher or flip the circuit breaker off for 5 minutes and the issue will reset itself. If that doesn't work, it sounds like you have a bad control board or bad connection somewhere, so if it's less than a year old, call warranty and they will come out and repair the unit at no charge. If it's over a year old, then it will likely cost about $200 or so to fix the unit and replace the board.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.